Welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden, a place where you will likely be informed and educated. If you are a regular viewer, thank you for returning. But if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. In today's video, this is what we will be doing. I'm going to be making some plantain porridge. Have you ever had plantain porridge? Come with me to the kitchen. I'm spraying some oil on the knife to keep the sap from sticking to it. Any type of cooking oil will work. I'm making a few slits along the plantain to peel the skin from off of it. Scrape off any extra skin that is left on them. Prepare them for the blender by cutting them into small pieces. Now place them in the blender with about 3/4 cups of oats. Add about 2 cups of water and blend thoroughly. Pour the mixture in the pot and prepare to add your favorite ingredients. Turn the burner on and keep it on low. Anything higher will cause it to burn. My ingredients include vanilla extract, bay leaf, allspice, cinnamon stick, some ground cinnamon, and nutmeg. I will also be using some almond milk. I'm grating the nutmeg, which came from the Spice Island, Grenada. You will need to cook this while stirring for at least 20 minutes. As it thickens, add your favorite milk. Some people prefer to use evaporated milk. I'm using almond milk. Keep stirring and add more milk when necessary. Get your bowl, then sweeten to taste. I'm using honey. Some people use condensed milk instead. I like to add raisins as toppings. Will you try this plantain porridge? Let me know how it came out. And check out this book. Remember to get your copy of this easy to read interactive devotional called Letters to 16 Strong Biblical Women. And while you're getting yours, get one for a friend or a family member. You will find the Amazon link in the description. Thanks in advance.